Welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Coupon with Z. I know it's been forever since I posted Stop and Shop videos, but as you guys might not know, my Stop and Shop actually closed down. So I'm in the process of looking for a new Stop and Shop, guys, and it's really difficult around here because these stores are not coupon friendly at all. But I'm not gonna give up. We are going to try. I'm going to try to make some deals happen. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, let me show you something. Look what I see. This Pampers Pures that's priced at $12.99, and then it's saying when you purchase two, you're going to get $15 off instantly. So if you pick up two of these, we have 150 digital coupon. Plus, I have a $3 off of one paper coupon that I got from redeeming my points from the Pampers rewards. So that's gonna leave me to pay like around $6 and something for these. So I'm actually gonna try it to see if it's going to give that $15 instant savings. So let's take it and try. Alright guys, so the next deal that I'm picking up is going to be on these peach nut Dino Biscuits. They are priced at $3, and then we have $2 ibotta rebates, making them just 99 cents. So like I said, I am trying to reach some ibotta bonuses that's due to expire really soon. So I'm going to take this for 99 cents. Alright you guys, so the next deal I'm gonna be doing is going to be on this spend 20 and earn 600 gold points right here, which is equivalent to $6, as you guys know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to be picking up these Old Spice deodorant pricing at $6.99. I'm gonna be grabbing two for $6.99 each. And then we have a $5 off of two digital coupon and a $2 off of one digital coupon. So both those digital will come off because each digital just need a coupon to attach to. So that's $7 digital that's gonna come off. And I'm going to combine this with the body wash. We also have $2 ibotta rebate on these. So the next item I'm grabbing for this promotion is going to be on the body wash. So these are just a regular price in my store for $8.29. So your store might be a different price. For me, it's $8.29. So we're gonna grab one of these. Alright guys, so this is what I'm taking from my spend 20 get 600 gold points. So $8.29, $6.99. The total is going to be $22.27. I have $2, like I said, $2 off of one for this. That's going to attach to this, and $2 off of a two deodorant. That's going Old Spice deodorant. That's going to attach to this one right here. So that's $7 worth of digital for deodorant. And this one we have a $2 off of one digital coupon. So if you want, you could do a body washes, two body washes and one deodorant, but it's going to be a little bit more. For me, I'm going to end up paying $13.27, getting that 600 gold points. Yeah, and then my receipt to ibotta for $2 back, $2 back. That's $6 back coming from ibotta. So my final price is going to be $1.27 for both items, and it's going to help me to reach that ibotta bonus that I'm trying to reach. So this is already giving me three rebates. So that's how I'm counting as I go. I need about 7 rebates. All right guys, so let's do the main reason why I came here, and it's all because of this Lysol right here for pricing at $3.49. And we have some ibotta rebate plus digital coupon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be grabbing 4 of these for the $3.49 each. Okay, you guys, so I'm grabbing 4 of these for $3.49 each. The total is going to be $13.96, and I have a lot of digital coupon. I have $1 off of 2 digital coupon that's going to attach to this, 50 cents off of one that's going to attach to the second, and then 50 cents off of one that's going to attach to the third, and then 75 cents off of one that's going to attach to this one. So all of those are digital coupons. So I have 4 different digital coupons. So if you have not been loading your coupons, then you might not have all of those digital coupons, but take the amount that you have. Let's say if you have $1 off of a 2 digital coupon and a 50 cents off of a 1 digital coupon, just take two bottles. So I have 4. I'm grabbing 4, and I'm using 4 of the printable coupon that was on coupons.com. These do scan after expiration date, so these will scan, okay, because they are non-expired coupons. So this is going to double in my store. Full light coupons will double, so this is going to take off $6 additional, plus digital coupon wise I have a $2.75, so that's going to leave me to pay $5.21, and I'm going to submit my receipt to ibotta for $150 back on each one of these. So that's $6 coming back from ibotta, making my final price completely free plus 31 cents money maker. So that's amazing. To show you guys what to do if you have just the 2 digital coupons. So I'm grabbing this, $3.49 each. The total for the 2 is going to be $6.98, and then you're going to use your digital, so the 50 cents off of 1, and then the $1 off of a 2 digital, and then these would double, taking off $3, and then that's going to leave you to pay $2.48, and then you're going to submit your receipt so ibotta for $3 back, making this completely free plus 52 cents money maker. So I'm gonna do this in different ibotta accounts and then a different, you know, Stop and Shop account. So I'm going to do this deal as well. The next deal I'm going to be grabbing is going to be on this Glade Air Spray. They are priced regular for $2.59, and I'm going to be using this $1 off of 1, and then I'm also going to submit my receipt to ibotta and making this 59 cents. I don't know what happened to my digital, but I don't see it anymore, so I'm just gonna grab this one right here. Like I said, I'm working towards ibotta bonus for that $10 back, so 5 times 2, so that's what I need. All right, y'all, so the next deal I'm going to be doing is going to be on the Bris Ice Cream. So this week they are priced $4 each. They put 3 for $12, so it's just $4 each. I'm going to be grabbing 4 for the total of $16, and then we have $3 off of a 3 digital coupon that they gave us, plus a $1 off of a 2 digital coupon. And then I also print these right here for signing up for like a Bris website. When you sign up for the newsletter, you do get this 75 cents off of a 1, which would double in my store to $1.50. So I actually have 3 of these and 1 of these, so I'm gonna be using, you know, this, and then that's going to leave me to pay like around $6, and then I'm going to submit my receipt to Fetch. So on the Fetch we have so many Bris offers. I have like 5,000 points when I spend 20. Everybody has that. Everybody should have that. And then 5,000 when I purchase 4, and the extra 800 when I purchase 1. So it's gonna be a lot of points on Fetch, you know. Definitely let's take Bris this week. There's a deal that I want to share with you with this Nature's Way products. So we have, I'm going to insert a picture of here that you guys could take a look. It's priced at, I believe it's $4 and some change. It's from this brand right here. This is too much. The price is too high on this one. That one is priced like $4 and some change. We have a digital, we have printable, and then we have ibotta, making this completely free plus a little bit of money maker. So I can do it, but if you can find in your store, definitely take a look. So that tag is actually not working. So the manager just came and took off $15 out of my total. And then I also have this coupon that I'm going to use. So that's going to take off $3 additional. So if your store is tagged,
please wait.
If your store is tagged, you see anything $3, it will tell you you need a cashier to approve this. So I need this.
$3. Void successful.
We voided it.
Save 3.
All right, guys. So this is everything I end up grabbing at Stop and Shop this week. I know it has been a while since I posted any Stop and Shop deal, but my Stop and Shop actually closed down, so I'm having hard time finding like a right location where I could be great, you know. So just bear with me. I would definitely try to pick up things here and there and share with you guys what I could share. Definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram because most of the time I do share some breakdown there that I'm not able to share here sometimes. So definitely take a look there. So anyway, let's go over this receipts. So this is my first receipt with the Pampers. As you guys could see, it did ring for the regular price plus the only thing is the instant savings does not come off automatically, but if your store has a tag, they should definitely honor it. So my store has all of them tag, including the Pampers Easy app, the small ones. So definitely take a look in your store. If they tag them, they should honor them. So I end up paying around $6.48 for 2 boxes of the diapers. So this is the second transaction I did. Oh, this is the 4 Lysol wipes, and all my digital coupons came off and all my paper coupons scanned and double, and I end up paying the $5.21, and I submit my receipt to ibotta, and I got a total of $6 back, making this completely free plus a little bit of money maker. So this is my total receipt where I got the peach nut, I got the allspice products, and I also got the Glade spray here. The only paper coupon I use is that $1 off of one for the Glade. It did scan perfectly fine. So for this one, my subtotal came to $17.86. That's before tax, and then I got 600 gold points, as you guys can see at the bottom of that receipt. And then I submit my receipt to ibotta for the $9 back, $6 for Old Spice, $1 for Glade, and $2 for that peach nut snack. So this is the receipt where I pick up the 2 orange Lysol, the one that say brand new day. So these I did this in a different Stop and Shop account. So as you guys can see, this account only have the 50 cents off of one and then the $1 off of a two digital coupon. And then I submit my receipt to ibotta, and the ibotta actually glitch on this particular bottle. So if you want to get that $2 back on ibotta instead of the 150, definitely grab this new bottle that's in a brand new day. So that did glitch and give me a total of $4 back instead of $3 back. So that's an additional dollar right there. So making this completely free plus a dollar and around 50 something cents money maker. So this is my final receipt right here. So I accidentally made a mistake and ring a coffee mate that I bought for the house inside this transaction. So definitely we are going to subtract that $6.99 for the coffee make creamer that I had to purchase for the house. So that's not part of the couponing deal. So I'm taking that $6.99 off, and then our new subtotal is going to be $7.76. And then I submit my receipt to fetch rewards, and I earn a total of 8,344, which is just equivalent to $8.34. So that makes this completely free plus 59 cents money maker. Plus I'm also tracking for that spend 20 and earn a 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5. So I just need about like around $5.51 to reach that threshold, so I could always complete that later on. So this is everything I got for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, have a great day.